Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be checking out a schoolie, but not just any schoolie. We're going to be checking out the Bunkhouse bus. Now the Bunkhouse bus is owned by my dear friends Ernie and Brandy, and they travel with that bus to all sorts of cool destinations that document it on their Instagram. Now if you're interested in following Ernie and Brandy, make sure you check out their social links. I'll also leave them in the description of this video. But for now, buckle up Buttercup and be prepared because this thing is incredible.
Yay!
Okay guys, I wanted to show you the Bunkhouse bus. This thing is awesome. This is something that has been a labor of love. They've put this together. Ernie and Charles actually have kind of matching buses. And so when we were up in Montana, we were able to check out Charles's bus. Now I've seen the Bunkhouse before, but Brandy's put some little creative touches in here too that make it really nice and cozy. And so I wanted to show you guys what the capability of having a bus could be for you guys. Now I know it's long, it's a gas guzzler. It is hard to fix if you don't have any expertise. However, if you can have a little creativity, you can have an amazing space that, you know, this is just the beginning. Let me show you.
Willie, are you the best bus boy ever? Yeah, he is. He's the best bus boy. Can I love on you? There we go.
Kitchen is amazing because look at this, full size. You can cook, you can stand up. They have an oven even, and then all of their little storage is awesome. I love that all of these little shelves are in here because they have not only their spices and seasoning, but all of their cups. They have all of their jars with all their cool stuff in it. This full prep area is so amazing, but there's more. There's more. You come back here, you have a full pantry. They have a microwave. In here, they have a huge bathroom. Like for a living space on the road, this is huge. And as we go in, they even have a nice shower back here. This thing is awesome. I can stand and there's room. So I'm 5'7". With the floof, I'm probably 5'9". So even with that, there's several inches above me. And this is at the lower portion of the bus. We're not even in the center. So this is awesome, guys. So many neat little touches, again, with the art. And there's more. Even on the doors, they have found little creative ways to have hooks. And so tons of storage in here. But again, there's more to this. Around the corner from the bathroom, there's this section right here where they have a nice framed piece of art. This amazing board where they can keep up with all of their memories. And then back here, they have their bed area. And this is a full, huge bed. Like, this bed is bigger than my entire van. And it's so nice because they also have these split systems to keep the air going. They have a little bed for little Willie back there. And it's like it's a cozy insulated space. They have the ability to watch TV back here. Again, so much cool art in the bus. I love that part of the bus so much because it's expressive of both of their personalities. They have the twinkle lights to give it a nice glow back here so it's not like super, super bright. It's just definitely a vibe. And then again, all sorts of little individual pieces. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this because I think that it's just an incredible build and there's so many little details that are able to be included in this. And it just shows you that you can truly have your own personality in your space, whether it's a tiny space or a big space. But if you are interested in something that you could do like this is a great way for you to kind of integrate into something larger and have a working, basically, apartment on wheels. Now, I've seen lots of rigs. This is one of my favorite builds that I've seen, though, because all of these little tiny details with the wood that's been selected, and again, the little accessories that bring in different elements of the past to make a better future in this new bus. I'll show you a few of the smaller details that I've really found interesting in here, but keep that in mind, guys. This is why we come to places where we get to hang out with different people. And this is why whenever I first met Ernie, I was like, oh my gosh, your bus is so cool. And then every time I've seen him since, it's just been a little bit different. And now with the extra art touches, it's so cool. I love it. It just brings out this new life. And it really truly feels like home when you come in here. Like when I come in, I sit down on the couch, it's soft, it's cozy, there's conversation space, it's fabulous. Thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Bunkhouse bus. It is absolutely impressive in every single detail, from the woodwork to the art and everything in between. The thought has been put into each and every aspect of going on the road and having luxury in a space, not to mention a little bit of comfort. I am so grateful that Ernie and Brandy let me tour their bus, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave your comments below and make sure, again, you go check them out on their social media. Till next time, guys. Bye.